also a little bit of the foliage down below the hive, and every once in a while I see a wasp, not a honeybee. So I don't know if this is what has the hive in a tizzy, or if they are not happy about something else. I haven't even cracked the lid on the hive yet for them to get all antsy. And they've only bumped into me a few times. Here. Only bumped into me a few times since I've come out here to watch them. So they're not really too concerned about me. But they seem to be fighting with a lot of other bees and even some wasps.